Okay, let's look at number one without that shortcut. Okay, without the shortcut of multiplying the decimals and then adding the exponents. Okay, so if you just do not like that shortcut at all, the other way to do it is to take both of these numbers and change them into standard form. Multiply those two numbers together, because this is a multiply problem, and then put that answer back into scientific notation. Okay, so when we take these original numbers written in scientific notation and we put them in standard form, we want to look at the decimal, look at the exponent. The first one is a 4, so I'm going to move the decimal 4 to the right. And when I do that, I'm going to get 7 and a 2. And let's see, moving it one space to the right got me past the 2. I have 3 more moves to make, so that's 3 zeros. Okay, 3.1 times 10 to the second. Okay, the positive 2 tells me to move the decimal point 2 to the right. So that's one move is going to get me past the 1. I have a second move, so I'm going to have 310. So I need to multiply those two numbers together because I put them both in standard form. So just multiply as normal. Let's see. Let's work with looking at that 0. I'm just going to put a 0 there. And then I'm going to start multiplying by 1. Okay, 1 times 0 is 0. And I have 3 of those. Okay, 1 times 0, 1 times 0, 1 times 0. Then I have 1 times 2 and 1 times 7. Okay, 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 7 is 7. Okay, so now I need to start multiplying by 3. Okay, shifting 2 places over first. Okay, so I have 3 times 0, 3 times 0, 3 times 0. So that's 3 zeros. Okay, then I have 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. Hope you can see that. Okay, add these up. Okay, 4 zeros. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 6 is 13. Carry the 1. So I have 1 plus 1 is 2. And then I have the 2 on the end. Okay, let me rewrite that. Okay, so I have 22,320,000. But now I need to change that back into scientific notation. So I need to make sure I rewrite it so that I have one non-zero digit in front of the decimal point. Got to put the decimal point right there. So I need to make it 2.232 times 10 to the, well, got to figure out how many moves I need to make with my decimal point. I got to get from here to the end. So I need to move my decimal point 1, 2, 3 places to get past the 2. 4 more places to get past the zeros. So that's 7 places, 7 moves to the right. I don't have room to write that. But since that's 7 moves to the right, my exponent is a positive 7. Okay, that's the same answer we got the other way. If you saw the other video. So the answer here is Mrs. Jester. Okay, let me know if you have questions.